Good morning. Then today we are going to discuss about the logical operators in C. We have already seen this relational operator in our last discussion. So today we are going to see logical operators. First, we will discuss what is the basic purpose of using this logical operator. Actually, a relational operator like this, if I write n1 greater than n2, it means this relational operator can be used to check the relation between two entities. The entities may be a variable, the entities may be a value, but if you have to check two different expression, what is the meaning of this? First, I want to take one example from real life. If I will say that the C class will be organized on Monday at 12 o'clock, it means what? That to start the class of C, first thing, the day must be one day, and the second thing, the time must be 12 o'clock. It means both the things should be true, otherwise, the class will be not held. This connector, that is, when the day is Monday, and this and is known as logical operator. It means the logical operator is used to check the relation between two different expressions. And how many logical operators I have? We have three logical operators. First is known as logical and, it is logical and the second one is, it is known as logical or, and the third one is known as logical not. One by one, we will see what is the purpose or how they can be used. But one basic thing is, because here also we are going to work with some boolean values, and boolean, as we have discussed in our last tutorial also, that boolean means always either true or false. But in C, 0 means false and 1 means true. It means if we will get true expression, we will get 1. If we will get false expression, we will get 0. So let us start with this logical AND. What is the meaning of this? To understand this, I want to take two variables. One is num1 and second one is num2 equal to 75. Now please see in the first example, what is the meaning? Like this, if I write num1 less than, or maybe it should be greater than num2, and in this I want to write this logical and I want to connect it with another expression, that is num2 less than 100. Now please see what is the meaning of this. This expression is also true and this expression is also true. It means if I see it is also true, and this expression is also true. What is the resultant of both these? Resultant is true. It means if both the expressions are true, you will get a true value. True means 1. That we will see in the program also, that what will be the output of this expression. Okay. Number 2. Now I want to change in the same, this is second one, and the second one is num2, it is correct, but here I want to change it greater than. What will be the effect? Now it is not true, it is false. If one is true and another one is false, then you will get false, like this. It means in logical AND we will get a true if both the expressions are true, and if one expression is false, we will get false. Now I want to change here also. It is less than, and I want to change it. Third one. If it is, if both the expressions are false, you will get false. It means in logical AND, if both expressions are true, you will get true. Otherwise, in all other conditions, you will get false. Now I want to see this logical OR operator. I want to take the same one. I want to change the symbol greater than, and here it should be less than. Num1, as you know that it is true, and here it is again true. If both the expressions are true, you will get true. No doubt in this. It means if we are using logical OR, and if both the expressions are true, you will get true. Okay. If any of this expression, I want to make it false, like this. If it is false, if one is false and another one is true, you will get true. It is like this, that the class of C will be held if the day is either Monday or if it is Tuesday. It means if the day is Monday also or if the day is Tuesday also, your class will be held. Okay. So if one expression is false but another is true, in the case of logical OR, you will get true. But it is our second example actually. But if now I want to make it false and try to see what will be happen. It is again false, so you will get a false. It means in logical OR operator, if both the expressions are false, you will get false. Otherwise, in all other condition, you will get true. But in logical AND, if both the expressions are true, only you will get true. Otherwise, you will get false. Now, I want to see your last one, that is logical NOT. Actually, logical NOT is known as complement also. Complement means what? If the expression is false, it will make it as true. Like this, please see. If I write here, and I want to change it again. It is less than. Okay. If I use here logical not, it is, what is this now? It was false, but due to this logical not, your expression will be true. This is because the false expression becomes true and the true expression becomes false. It means here you will not get false, you will not get true, you will get false. But here it is true. Because num1 greater than num2 was true, but due to this logical not operator, you will get false. It means now the final resultant will be decided on the basis of this false and true, and you know that if one of the expression is false, we are going to get this false. Okay, but one second, I want to organize it again. Here it is true. But now I want to change it. This symbol, the symbol or. Then what will be happened? It is false. Why false? Because num1 greater than num2. It is true. Both the resultant will be true, because as we have discussed right now, that in the case of logical OR operator, if any of the expression is true, we are going to get true. Okay. And if you want, you can combine both also, like this. If I put a bracket here and here it is a closing bracket, then what will be happened? It is, what is this? Num1 greater than num2, it is true. True and true, it is true. But due to this logical not operator, now you will get false. Why? Because it will work on the resultant of this. Resultant was true, that's why you are getting false. If I change this one, this symbol, with maybe logical AND, because both are true, so finally you will get false. In the case of logical AND operator also. It means, what is the purpose of this logical not operator? Logical not operator is used to make true expression as false expression and false expression as true expression, and we will get the output accordingly. Okay, these two are binary operator. Binary means they can work, they will work, we should say, they will work with two operand, but it is unary. It will work only one value, like this here. Because it was true, so it will accept this true and make it as false. So it is known as unary operator. Now I want to write a program on the basis of this, so that we can try to understand what will be happen. So as you know, the first line must be this. So just I want to write some expression on the compiler so that we can get a confidence that what we have discussed is correct. Int num1 and num2. Now I want num1 equal to 90 and num2 equal to maybe again 75. In my printf, I want to write, that because we are going to get 0 and 1, so we have to use this format string %d/n, and here I want to write, what is this? This is num1 greater than num2, or we should write first expression, and what is that? Num2 not, it should be less than 100. Actually, I want to use a parenthesis for both the expression, that what they will do. So now let us check first this one. Okay, then I want to save it, and I want to save it as what is this? I have discussed earlier that we should write this extension because I am using this dev C++. Otherwise, the extension will be .cpp. But our intention is to write the program in C. So let us check what will be happened. No any error. So please run it. It is 1 here. If you see, it is 1. Why 1? Because both the expressions are true. That's why you are getting this 1. Now I want to change something more so that we can get a little more confidence. Maybe I want to change it like this. If I write this, then please tell me, because this is 1, but here we will get 0. Why? Because it is true. This expression is true, but this expression is false. So let us check what will be happened. It is again 1 and 1. Oh, actually we should change it. Now, it is true, but it is false. And as we have discussed right now, that if the expression, if any of the expression is false, we will get false. False means what? 0. So please check it. It is 1 and 0. And if both the expressions are false, you will get a false. But in this expression, I want to change this one, this symbol only. What is that symbol? Symbol is or. Then please tell me what will be happen. If it is, then it is true, but it is false. But because we are using this logical or operator, and it is the characteristics of logical or operator that if any of the expression is true, you will get true. True means 1. So please execute it. Okay, this is 1, 0 and 1. Now I want to write one expression for logical not. Okay, here I want to write logical not. Now please see. Num1 greater than num2 true, but due to this logical not operator, it will become false. It means we will get false. And it is true, but now it will work on false and true. And in the case of logical and operator, if any of the expression is false, you will get false. It means here we can expect 0. Now please see. Yes, it is 0. Clear? But I will try to use the same expression, only I want to change some little bit. Okay, so I want to copy it, and here I want to paste it, and here I want to give one another parenthesis. Now please tell me what will be happen. It is true, it is false, it means we should get false. But on the final resultant of this expression, this logical not operator will do its work. It means if it will get true, we will get false. If it will get false, we will get true. So please see. Here I think there is something problem with this 1 2 1 2. Actually we should write another bracket here. Okay, 3 bracket, because we have opened 1 2 and 3 4. It means, and we have closed 1 here and 3 here. Now it will work. It is again 0. Why 0? Because you will get true. You will get true, and due to this logical not operator, you will get false. Now I think we have discussed about this logical and operator, logical not operator, and logical or operator, and what are their characteristics also. Okay, try to execute the program by yourself, this program, and if you have any doubt, please write to me. 100% I will discuss, but at the last I want to clarify one thing, that there is a difference between relational operator and logical operator. Relational operator will work only with two entities, that is either it will be variable or it will be values, but in the case of logical operators, it will take two different expression like this, and on the basis of different expressions output, it will give its own decision. Like this, if I am using this logical and operator, we will get true if both the expressions are true. Otherwise, in all other condition, we will get false. What about this logical or? In logical or operator, we will get false only if both the expressions are false. Otherwise, in all other condition, we will get true. What about this logical not operator? It will reverse the meaning of the expression. If the expression is true, it will give us false. And if it is false, this logical not operator will give us true. One, the most important that both these two are binary operator because they will work with two operand, but it is unary operator because it can work only with one value. Thank you very much for attending my class. Please be with me in the entire discussion so that you can get a crystal clear knowledge. Thank you very much.